Today is my birthday at ang aga ng mga regalo ko, ito kahapon binigay ng ma'am ni Adam. Dumaan siya dito sa bahay, ang sweet, di ba? Para ibigay itong aking flower. Meron din siya pa birthday card. So nagchikahan kami dito sa bahay, nag-tea siya. And ito naman, binigay din naman to sa akin ni Milky nung last week. And ito is from Adelaide pa to guys, kay Diana. Love you Diana. Talagang nag-effort pa siya ipa-parcel dito guys. Ang cute ng clip. Sipit na maliit, talaga nakaganyan pa. So, unbox natin yung ating mga regalo. Mamaya pa natin ni Adam, so makita pa naman kami ng birthday ko. Nasa Hong Kong siya guys. And may plano kami po may birthday, kaya lang parehong masama yung pakiramdam namin. Masama yung pakiramdam ko kung naaalam nyo sa voice ko guys. At sana, inuubo ko na sinisipon and si Adam may sakit na din. Sana talaga hindi matuloy yung kanyang sakit. Ang ganda ng kulay nito kasi pinkish. Bala ko sanang bumili ng ng flower na, yun, for Christmas flower. Eh, maaga pa naman. Tapos, may flower na tayo dumating. Igaganyan ko na lang siguro siya. Ayan, hindi ko na siya tinanggal sa pagkakaano. Para maganda tignan, di ba? Ang bongga, ang ganda. And, buksan natin yung card. Uy, happy birthday. So pretty. Happy birthday, Edna. We hope you have a lovely day. Love, Helen and Don. Thank you. And is from Milky and Adam. Thank you so much, Milky. O, di ba? Taray. May pa-wine. Meron din siyang pa-card. So, buksan natin yung card. So, o-open ko to guys pagdating na ni Adam mamaya. Para may video tayo. So, hindi ako marunong magbukas nito. Natatakot kasi ako pag natatakot talaga ako, guys. Medyo nervyosa ako. Tara, may pa-card pa si Milky. Thank you. Basahin natin yung card. Have a smashing birthday. Ang pretty na card. Haba Dearest Edna, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope your special day was filled with love, joy, and all the things that make you smile. I'm truly grateful our paths crossed. Meeting you has been such a blessing. You have such a kind heart, personality that's so easy to be with. Thank you, Milky. I'm looking forward to many more catch-up, Marites, and Budol moments together. Cheers to many more years. God bless you. Love, Milky. Busy ako mag-unboxing, so hindi ko alam guys kung naka-video tayo kasi nag-pull yung aking memory card. Anyway, this is from Diana. Nabuksan ko na guys. Salamat Diana D. Basahin muna natin yung ating card. Wow! Taray! Ang taray ng card ni Diana D. Effort talaga. May picture namin together. Thank you Diana. Subok na yung pagkakaibigan talaga namin ni Diana. And taray, may paano pa to ha? Card. So hindi ko mabigkas, no? Pasensya na kayo. Ayaw pa magpabukas. Wow! Siya, ang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo ng malapitan. Ang ganda guys. From Diana D. Sabi niya, pwede ko daw itong papalitan kung gusto ko. Pero hindi ko na siya papalitan kasi maganda siya. Nagandahan ako. Kaya meron siyang gift receipt. Kaya di mo siyang papalitan. Salamat, Diana D. Dito natin ilagay yung flower. Hello!
Hello! Happy birthday!
Oh my God!
Hello, finally.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. And this is your birthday cake.
Thank you, love.
Happy birthday.
Cool.
Did you have a nice day?
Yes, love.
That's good. Well, nice to see you. Miss you too.
Humabol pa si Adam for my birthday, guys. Gabi na, buti may nabilang pa siya flower. Dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Ang dami nating flowers sa bahay ngayon. Binigyan din ako ng mom niya ng flower. Mag-celebrate kami bukas sa weekend. Aalis kami ni Adam. Bukas, dinner with his parents. Then weekend, kami dalawa. Wow, parang ano. Ang haba ata, ang laki. Parang hindi siya kasya dito. Sobrang laki. Putulan ko na lang siya. Ayan, pinutulan ko na lang. Yung rose. Ayan, parang may mahaba. Ang ganda na ito. Mix siya. Ang ganda ng flower. Sabi niya sa petrol station lang daw siya may bibilin. Bumili pa talaga ng flower. Nasa Hong Kong kasi si Adam, guys, for few days. And ngayon lang siya umuwi. Ayan. Ganda. Hindi natin silip na. Ayan, ganda. Hello guys.
Okay, blow your candle out, make your wish, and here's your knife. You gotta, if you touch the bottom, you gotta kiss the nearest boy. All the best for your birthday. Keep healthy. I'm proud of you and all of your achievements this year.
Thank you.
You should be proud of yourself as well.
Thank you for the cake and for the flower.
Happy 26th birthday. No, probably not that.
Spice butter and hazelnut.
Thank you, love.
Capsicum, a little bit of garlic. Usually this would go on your white meat and this would go on red meat.
Lovely, thank you. Yep. So those guys who train having a birthday, love, gives them an excuse to go out. Happy birthday, dear Edmund. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Blow your candle. Make your wish, love.